How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you if we can auto scroll on Instagram Reels or not. So first thing, simply open up your Instagram and let's say I want to automatically scroll these Reels, whatever I'm seeing here. So you can see there is actually no any option which lets you to auto scroll your reels. You just have to scroll it manually, so there's actually no any option. So the guys on the YouTube, if you have been following the YouTube tutorial where it says you just have to simply head over to this three bar icon and or your settings, and then just find this option called data usage and media quality, and from over here you disable this data saver, then this option does absolutely nothing. So don't follow those unnecessary trends which just waste your time. So instead you just have to scroll it manually. There might be some third party application, but you can't actually possibly use it directly as a Instagram doesn't support directly auto scroll on your device. So hope this video was helpful guys, and if it was informational, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.